So this is the mountain formation I am looking at this morning. It's just absolutely incredible, like breathtaking. Hey guys, it's just gone 6 AM. I've tried to like sort my hair out about 100 times and it's just not doing anything anyway, so I'm just leaving it like this. 6 AM in the morning in Vietnam. Look at this. Like, just look at what I am seeing right now. This is my view this morning, waking up on the boat. It's just absolutely sick. And the crew was like, oh, set your alarms for like 8 in the morning for breakfast. I was like, I'm gonna be up so much earlier. Look at this. Like, I am so happy out. I am just so content right now. This is bloody amazing. We're up until I think midnight last night, just having drinks here. I met like the most amazing girls ever from Denmark. One's Camilla and the other two are called Sienna. The two girls have the exact same name and they're so amazing, and we're just having the best laugh. There was a guy here from the UK and then another girl from Amsterdam, and then 3 girls they're from South America, Argentina. We're all up last night having a couple of drinks and stuff, and it was just amazing here with music and stuff. I was DJing and yeah, now look where I am, just waking up at 6 in the morning to this view. It's just spectacular. Like the mountain tops, like, or I don't even know what they are. They're not mountains, it's just like beautiful rock formations that just came out of the ocean. Yeah, they're mountains obviously, like, but it's just fabulous. Like, it's beautiful. Just, there's no words. I have no coverage either, which is kind of worrying because I haven't spoke to not worrying for me, but my parents. I haven't spoke to them in 12 hours, and my mum and dad kind of like freak out like every day. They're like, I want to hear from her, make sure she's okay. So I didn't realize there'd be no service. I was actually told there'd be Wi-Fi here, but lo and behold, they ain't no Wi-Fi. So what I'm gonna do is try and get some Wi-Fi ASAP. We're moving on today. I'll keep us updated as I'm going along, because I really like, I don't like know what I'm doing every single day. I'm just kind of like going with the flow, enjoying life, enjoying Vietnam, not worrying about where I am, the names of places. I'm just so chilled. It's incredible. Oh yeah guys, I meant to say, do you remember I showed you the monkeys yesterday when we were out? The monkeys that we'd seen, the instructor, obviously he's Vietnamese and he's been doing like the instructions around here for years, bringing groups of people out. And when we saw the monkeys, when we came back, he was like, I've only ever seen those monkeys 3 times ever in the like out in the open, and you were very lucky. He says, I've been working here for years, I've only ever seen them 3 times myself. And I was like, oh my god, how lucky do I get? I come to Vietnam and I get to see monkeys in the wild, because I absolutely hate seeing any animal in captivity. And that's kind of like the thing about like certain countries, like there is animals in captivity everywhere, but out here you can actually see them in the wild. Now they do have them in captivity also, but to see those monkeys in the wild with their babies, feeding their babies, it was just, oh my god, like I just felt so grateful, and like just the amount of gratitude that just filled up my body. I was just like, oh my god. And I thought that they were there every day. I thought that that was kind of like a regular occurrence, and that, you know, the instructor brought you to that part of the like tour because, you know, you were going to see the monkeys. But he was like, no, I've worked here for years and I've only ever seen them myself 3 times. So you're very, very lucky. That was the 3rd time you saw them. 3rd time's the charm, eh?
Some people, you see some people who travel and they don't even, it's like sometimes they don't even look at it through their own eye.
Hi guys, so we're just here at Cát Bà Island and we're getting off. That's where we were this morning. It's been ages since I've talked to you. It's now like 2 o'clock I think in the day, and I've been up since 5. So I'm gonna get a bus from here to the hotel, and obviously staying in the hotel, and then gonna get another bike today just kind of go around. And because I met some of the guys from the boat and they're going to the same place, look, I'm like covered in dirt. I'm actually filthy. Like if you saw me, I'm like the dirtiest, messiest thing, and I have so many bruises everywhere. My true tomboy side, I'll tell you, is coming out in its full form. So what we're doing then is, because some of the guys from the boat were going to hang out, and we're getting bikes and we're going to the beach, and I'm just really excited for today. I'm freezing today and I'm wearing like a little blazer, but that's just because when we're on the boat, like I was at the front and it was just getting a little bit windy and chilly. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on what we're getting up to. I'm so glad I've made some new friends, and yeah, it's just gonna be all fun. Hey guys, so I'm in Cát Bà right now in my room, just checked in, and I'm gonna go out on the bike now. Just got off the boat, obviously. That was a bit of a trek and a half, like getting off the boat and then coming here and stuff. I was up at like, what would I say, 5:30, and I still haven't slept, and it's like 3, 4 now. What I'm gonna do is go out on the bike, go around the area here in Cát Bà. Cát Bà, I can never really say it. That's what I'm doing now. It's beautiful here. The weather's fab, and I'm just really excited. So yeah, that's it. I don't think of any other plans. Going out for dinner tonight, the usual, hanging about, and then I'm off to China in 2 days. It's so exciting. But I'm leaving Vietnam. I'm going to be really sad about it, but I've had the best time ever, and it's just going to get better. I just know. It's like right beside the sea. It's so pretty. I need to put my Invisalign in, so I'll talk to you in a bit.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go,
climbing up a big tall thing to go to a bar on the side of a mountain top or hilltop, and I'm out of breath already. I'm wearing a hoodie because I was on the bike, and now I'm actually sweating because it's really warm and I'm wearing jeans, which is not always a good look. But look at this, it's up really, really high. I'm still climbing. Look, gee. Look, I'm wearing... This attire is just not suitable. Jeans and rollers. I'm sweating. Oh man, alive. This is ridiculous. Oh my god, there's more steps. I think I can hear music, so that means they're getting close. This is class! This is a swimming pool! Wow, little hidden gem up the side of the mountain with a pool in it. Okay, cool. Do you know what? I left the house and I wore my bikini. And now I know why, because I'm at a pool party. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get into the pool. Yeah, got a strawberry daiquiri. Yummy. Okay, by the pool with my mojito. No, it's not a mojito. Oh my god, it's a strawberry daiquiri and it is blowing my mind. This is the strongest strawberry daiquiri I've ever had. And I'm too afraid to get in because it's freezing and I have to go back on the bike. The whole way into town we have to go back on the bike. So I am not gonna get in, but I'm just gonna leave my legs dangling over the side. Bye bye Hilltop Bar. That's so cool. I love the sound of the crickets.